Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy we have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After Sweet Wombat we have me, KreationsbyKristey. After me we have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her we have Sis or Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. And after her we have the Sweet Hippy Dippy Painter Man and sometimes my sis Cat. So today I think I'm just going to do a little something maybe simple. I think I'm just going to do maybe a flip cup swipe, or I don't know, we're just going to wing it a little bit. But I'm going to put some colors in this cup here and we'll go from there. I'll just play some music and I will tell you the colors as I put them in the cup.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The wrong with them, I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done, I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done, and my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with these guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind.
All right. Well, my phone shut off, but this is too cool to not use it as video, so I'm going to use it anyway. So I did a few more swipes, and then I spun it a little bit. So this is where we're at.
That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better.
All right, let's do this. Okay. Yeah, she's really cool. Let me wipe the bottom off because you don't want to not do that. You will have a mess on your hands. It will pull all your paint off and it will be not nice. It's very not nice. I'm gonna have to touch this up right here. Okay, let me bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. I think she turned out really cool. She's really shimmery and just something different. I like the way it turned out in the end. So, alright guys, Shannon Baxman will not be up next. It will be Sis, or Bubbles, with Venom Fluid Art. After her, we have the Hippy Dippy Painter Man, and maybe my sis cat. So don't go anywhere. We still have a lot left. I love you guys. Thank you for being here and watching. I appreciate you all, and I hope you all have a great day or a great night wherever you guys are. And I will just see you guys on the next one. Bye.